What's cracking, YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Floki.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Guys, major announcement alert. We have officially surpassed over 1.3 million subscribers. Guys, I am so ecstatic about this, so happy. The channel growth over the years has been absolutely explosive. Guys, it's been such a long road, over 6.5 years, but we finally done it. Check out my gold plaque from YouTube, guys, sitting in the studio here in the background. Shout out to the YouTube Creator Awards team for sending me this. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the recognition, seeing all of my hard work. Thank you also so much to everyone who subscribed to the channel over the years for the love and support. We would be nothing without you guys. Love you all too, as always. Thank you for supporting the channel, watching my videos, liking, commenting, sharing everything, guys. I really do appreciate it on behalf of me, myself, and my entire team worldwide. I can't wait to see the further growth and how much higher we can take the channel in the future, guys. There is so much potential, endless possibilities. This sky is the limit, so let's take it there, guys. Now, as you probably noticed, guys, I'm back in the studio from an amazing trip to Amsterdam, IGB Live. We worked on some massive collaboration projects with the One Win team, shot some crazy content, and above all, networked like mad throughout the entire trip, guys. So many amazing goodies and surprises in the pipeline for you guys later this year. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be absolutely phenomenal. You guys already know we vlogged this entire trip on our Instagram page from A to Z, as usual, going nuts with the stories, guys, so you can live through all of the experiences with us and not miss a single moment. Make sure and go check out the Instagram page for all of the exclusive juicy content, guys. Follow along with us on every single trip. Show some love, hit us with a follow, slap us with some likes, and enjoy it all. Before Amsterdam, guys, the last international event that we attended and covered was in Yerevan, Armenia. Guys, we attended Harmony Meetup 5 and the BFTH Arena Awards. It was absolutely phenomenal. I had an insane time. As you guys can probably tell from the stories, this was one of the biggest iGaming, blockchain, AI, crypto events in the world. As usual, guys, we made sure to vlog every minute of that for you as well, guys, capturing the main event, the side events, the interviews, the dinners, the drinks, the parties, the girls, the immaculate vibes in general. Again, guys, everything is available on our Instagram page, so go check out the detailed story highlights and enjoy the content. Grab your popcorn, guys, you're gonna need it. Stay tuned for those full videos, guys. We're working day and night around the clock to pump those out for you. They're gonna be absolutely fire. And of course, coming up real soon, guys, is Token 2049 in Singapore. Guys, this event is gonna be huge. I cannot contain my excitement. I haven't been back to Singapore since 2019, guys, when I attended the World Blockchain Forum. Guys, I'm super pumped to see it again and show you guys all of that on our Instagram page. It's gonna be coming up. You already know the stories are gonna be popping. You know, this is one of the biggest, and I mean the biggest, blockchain events worldwide. No exaggeration, guys. It's gonna be an absolute vibe with unprecedented networking, crazy partying, and just positive vibes all around. There's also gonna be some massive secret updates coming down the pipeline for this event, guys, so keep your eyes peeled and ears open. And of course, if you're gonna be attending, send me a message, guys. We can network, grab drinks, discuss new projects. I'm all in, of course. And now, guys, for the meat and potatoes of today's video, today's huge news, guys, we've got a super hot project that's gonna be going to the moon, baby, skyrocketing on the charts. Let's jump right into Floki. So as you guys know, we've done many videos on Floki so far. Today is a very important update video, guys. They've released their trading bot. Yes, you heard that right. Their trading bot is live, guys. This is massive. For anyone who hasn't seen our previous videos on Floki, let me just recap their project for you so you know what's going on with this. Again, guys, they are the people's cryptocurrency and the utility token of the Floki ecosystem. It is a cryptocurrency birthed by fans and members of the Shiba Inu community and inspired by and named after Elon Musk Shiba Inu. Musk is a prominent fan of Dogecoin, guys, although he publicly denied owning any SHIB. Floki Inu is working on 4 flagship utility projects, guys. Their NFT gaming metaverse called Valhalla, which we covered in our last video. Massive updates with that, guys. A suite of decentralized finance products launched under their FlokiFi umbrella. There's also an NFT and merchandise marketplace called Floki Places, a content and education platform called University of Floki. The community itself, guys, calls themselves Floki Vikings in honor of Floki, which is Elon Musk's dog that was named after a Viking character. Floki vows to take its community efforts seriously, and guys, it has been listed several times as a top 10 of Lunar Crush's social engagement leaderboards. Floki has also partnered with leading crypto projects that include Chainlink, Trader Joe, ApeSwap for its FlokiFi Locker digital asset locker protocol. All right, guys, so this is the trading bot website right up here in front of me. This is the fastest and simplest way to buy and manage your tokens directly from Telegram, guys, without having to deal with slow decentralized exchanges, transaction confirming delays, or slippage issues that cost you money, guys. Often this could mean the difference between making a mere 1x or 5x on the same trade. The Floki trading bot, guys, is initially launched on the mainnet of the 3 biggest EVM chains, BNB, Ethereum, and Base. It's also set to go live on Solana and other top EVM chains real soon, guys. Now, a lot of benefits with their trading bot, guys. Super fast token purchases in just a few taps, seconds on any device directly from your Telegram app. You can easily buy hype tokens launches in a few taps without having to deal with slow decentralized exchanges, guys. As I previously mentioned, you can also buy tokens very quickly based on important news and announcements, like how they're faster than it takes the average person to load their browser. This gives you a massive edge over users, guys. They have multi-chain support where you can seamlessly buy tokens across several different blockchains all in one place. Their multi-language support also allows you to use the bot in your native language, like supported languages like English, simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, Turkish, Russian, Indonesian, Spanish, Dutch, and more to come, guys. They have seamless integration with top decentralized exchange aggregators to ensure, guys, that you get the best token prices. You can create up to 5 wallets as well, guys. You can create and export, delete these 5 wallets if you want. You can easily withdraw funds from the bot to third-party wallets, for example, their centralized exchanges or on-chain wallets. The referral program allows you to refer your friends and earn commissions whenever they trade through Floki trading bot, and there's a lot more to come with that, guys. In addition to the above key features that I just mentioned, guys, you can also unlock exclusive rewards by using the Floki trading bot. This includes airdrops, trading incentives, and special deals exclusive to Floki trading bot users. This is due to Floki's strong dominance in the industry, which allows us to bring strong value to users of the Floki trading bot. For example, guys, the most anticipated meme coin launch of the year, Simon's Cat, which we have gone over in many videos as well, allocated 1.5% of their token supply exclusively to Floki trading bot users who trade their token with Floki trading bot. No other bot in the industry, guys, got this opportunity, and it is just one of the many exclusive rewards that they have planned for users of the Floki trading bot. Let's check out the video on their website here, guys. They give us a full tutorial as to how it works.
How to use the Floki trading bot. First go to tv.floki.com, click on Start Trading Now, open the Telegram link, click on Start, click on Generate Wallet, copy the wallet address by clicking on it, and go back to the main menu. Now deposit some funds. Refresh your wallet by typing start again. Here you'll see your funds. Click on Trading Bot. Paste a contract address. I'm going to use the TokenFi contract address on BNB chain. Click on the amount you want to buy or enter a custom amount. Wait for the transaction to submit to the blockchain, and you're done.
Wow, guys, you saw how easy and quick it is to use the trading bot. I absolutely cannot wait to use it myself. It's looking super lit, guys. Effortless right there, and easy money, easy money, guys. So why the Floki trading bot, guys? There's speed and efficiency. You can buy and manage tokens instantly without ever leaving Telegram. Experience trading like never before with lightning fast transactions. They also have a user-friendly interface. No more complex steps. Their bot is designed with simplicity in mind, guys, allowing you to trade with just a few taps apps, whether you're a beginner or a pro. They also have rock solid security where your assets and security is their top priority. With their advanced encryption and rigorous security protocols, guys, trade with peace of mind knowing that your tokens are safe. Also, guys, you can earn rewards as you trade. Every trade is a chance to earn. Benefit from the unique reward system that offers crypto rewards for your trading activities. There's also trusted collaborations with their partners and their reputable projects, guys, ensuring that the benefits that you receive are genuine and valuable. So again, your trading journey simplified in 3 easy steps. You deposit your funds, transfer your crypto assets into your wallet within the bot, enter the contract address, guys, copy and paste the contract address of your chosen token. Floki does the rest. From there, guys, you just hit buy and watch your portfolio grow. It's that simple. They've got a lot of new exciting features that are also going to be coming out, guys, like Solana support, the limit orders, TokenFi launchpad integration, and sniper mode. At the bottom of their homepage here, guys, they have a lot of frequently asked questions that they're answering, like what is the Floki trading bot? Do you get exclusive benefits? How do you start using it? Is it secure? How do I trade on Floki trading bot? Guys, right here is the best place to do your due diligence journey on this project. So make sure and check out all of these links, all of the questions that they are answering. Very crucial that you understand, guys, before you start. Sliding over to Twitter X right here, guys, this is the official tweet surrounding the trading bot. You can see, guys, all of the information is here. The fastest and simplest way to buy and manage tokens directly from Telegram, guys, without having to deal with slow dexes. All the information is here, guys, as I mentioned, and they also give a video. Let's check out that video, guys, just so we can see what it's all about. Again, it's going to be recapping a lot of the information that we already saw, but let's check it out. Absolute amazing video, guys. It got me so pumped for this, as I mentioned. Guys, you know I gotta love this tweet and I gotta repost it for sure. Shout out to the Floki team again. Now, a very important link that I also do want to show you guys is a step-by-step guide on how to use the bot. This is it here, docs.floki.com, in the Floki white paper, guys, and under the trading bot. They explain again what the trading bot is, how to use it, the core functionalities, and then if you hit next, setting up and using the Floki trading bot, they tell you how to get started. All of it is here, guys. Access the bot, generate your wallet, select your trading chain, deposit funds, and begin trading. Absolutely great, guys. They make it very, very simple to understand how to use it. And then sliding back over to Twitter here, guys, we have some more updates. How Simon's Cat is taking over the Web3 space. The pre-sale went live Tuesday, August 20th, guys, and it completely sold out in just a few hours, guys. Way ahead of schedule, even beyond their most optimistic outlook, with the 4.25 million on the pre-sale getting raised before the end of tier 3. Massive, guys. The cat token presale officially went live with the full backing of real Floki Inu and TokenFi, a leading platform for crypto and RWA asset tokenization. Never forget, guys, leading right here. Now, again, you know I gotta like this and I gotta repost it for sure. Shout out to the entire team on that as well. More details on Simon's Cat can be found here, guys, so make sure and check that out if it's a project that you're interested in. They're gonna be launched on TokenFi, and they give all of the amazing stats about the project here. More information on Simon's Cat again with this tweet, how they're partnered with Simon's Cat. 1.5% of the cat supply has been allocated towards the campaign, guys, of the airdrop. So again, you can see the day by how much is going and how to win, the round schedules. All the information is here, guys. Again, like and repost, because shout out to the team. This is, again, more information of all you need to know about it, guys, so make sure and check it out.
This mother don't miss.
No, he's good.
Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambert Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hard Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we aren't impartial channels where the opinion is negative or positive. We'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. Group up, group up. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out. really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing some more crypto reviews and exclusive international blockchain events. We are the channel for that, guys, as you know. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.